The door is getting all fogged up, but it is so cold here in Nashville. Can you guys see the deer in the back of the yard? What's up, YouTube? As you can see, it is icy here in Nashville, Tennessee, and school is canceled. So I thought I would re-record my How to Become a Loan Signing Agent video because it's actually the most watched video on my channel and it's really low quality. So I know my video quality is still not the best, but I think I can make a much better video for you guys now. So in this video, you are going to learn 12 steps on how to become a loan signing agent. Don't worry about taking notes. I do have a free PDF for you guys down below listing those 12 steps. And if you watch until the end of the video, there is a small giveaway for you guys. So make sure that you continue to watch so you can enter the giveaway. So grab your drink and your snack and let's get into those 12 steps. Okay, step number 1 is locate your state's notary application. The easiest way to do this is to Google your county plus your state plus notary application. The correct website should be near the top. You're looking for your county's clerk website. The website should give you all the information that you need for your application. So step 2 is to read over your state's application and requirements to make sure that you know everything that you need to do in order to apply. Step 3 is to get a notary bond. Your bond works like an insurance policy that covers your clients. So for example, if you make a mistake and it costs your clients money, the bond would then be used to help recover that money for your clients. Step 4 is to go ahead and turn in your application with your bond if that is required with your application. Again, that varies county by county. Your application should give you details on how to turn in your notary application. It will tell you where to turn it in at, as well as the hours of operation. Okay, so step 5 is a lengthy one. In step 5, I would recommend studying for the NNA exam. That is the National Notary Association exam. Here is where you would put in some time educating yourself. So you need to know the basics of being a notary and what that requires. And you also need to know how to walk clients through loan documents. Also, I want to mention that some states require specific training and specific exams. Not all states do. So for example, I'm in Tennessee and we do not have a specific exam or course that we have to take in order to become a notary or signing agent. However, some states do have specific requirements. There are a ton of courses out there to choose from. However, I don't think that you have to spend money on a course in order to become a signing agent. Courses tend to cost $100 or more. I tried a course and I didn't love it. If you want to hear about that experience, I will link it up above. Some people go the course route and they love it and they swear by it and they enjoy their experience. However, I have heard from several other people who have tried expensive courses who didn't love it and who didn't feel like they fully got the education that they need to become a signing agent through the course. So the way that I found out about being a signing agent is actually through a podcast. And on the podcast, Mark Wills, if you know who that is, he actually has his own course and he says that all the information that you need to become a signing agent is for free on the internet. However, the purpose of buying a course is that it kind of speeds up that process. You don't have to dig as much for the information. It's laid out nicely for you, but all the information that you need can be found for free on the internet. Before you take any course and before you invest any money, I would highly, highly, highly suggest reading this book, Sign and Thrive. The author of this book does have a YouTube channel as well as a course. However, I did not take his course. I just read this book for free and it helps me out a ton. That's not the only thing that I did to educate myself. However, again, it really helps me get a good start and a good understanding of what this business entails. You can actually read this book for free by going to Amazon Kindle Unlimited. I will link it down below. If you've never had an Amazon Kindle Unlimited account, then you can actually sign up for a free 30-day account, and that is how I read the book for free. As I mentioned, I did take a course, but I didn't love it, so I actually asked for a refund and decided to do the research on my own and find the information that I needed in order to become a loan signing agent. Through my time researching all of this, I did find some wonderful websites that taught me the basics of being a notary, as well as how to go through loan documents with clients. So I actually put together a PDF of all the wonderful websites that I found that I used to teach myself. If you are interested in that PDF, then you can find that down below as well. It's much cheaper than a course. Again, it's not a course. It is simply the steps that I took and the websites that I used in order to teach myself how to be a notary and how to walk clients through loan documents. In the PDF, I link all the wonderful websites that I found and that I used in the process that I took to teach myself how to walk clients through loan documents. Whatever you do, whichever route you take, I would just suggest finding someone who really caters to your learning style, and then also invest whatever you are willing to invest. So some people are willing to pay $500 for a course. Other people are willing to invest the time and do the research themselves. So definitely don't feel like you have to purchase my PDF. Don't feel like you have to purchase a $500 course. It's not necessary. So just kind of make your own decision there. But step 5 is to educate yourself and make sure that you understand what is expected when you are a notary and how to walk clients through loan documents. Okay, step 6, we are halfway there. Step 6 is to purchase the $70 basic package from the NNA. This is all you need, but you do need this package in order for signing agents to take you seriously. You receive a background screening, NNA exam, and 1-year priority listing on signingagent.com. The NNA site can be confusing, so again, I will link the basic package down below. This will take you straight to the actual package that you need to purchase. So there isn't really any way around purchasing the $70 package. Again, it's not something that I'm personally just recommending to you guys. It is something that you need to have in order for signing services to take you seriously. Step 7 is to activate your background screening. So when you purchase the NNA package in step 6, you will receive an email from the NNA, and it will give you information on how to activate your background check. Your background check is good for 1 year after you activate it. So if you're not ready to start taking signings, you might want to wait on activating your background check. But if you've already educated yourself and you're ready to go and ready to start taking signings, go ahead and activate your background check, because it can take as little as 1 day to get your results back, and I've heard other people having to wait several days. So again, if you're ready, go ahead and activate your background check. Step 8 is to take the NNA exam. So again, you've already paid for the NNA exam. This is included in step 6. It is part of the basic NNA package. So if you've taken the time to educate yourself in step 5, then you should be fully prepared for the NNA exam. I do have a video on the NNA exam. You can find that up above. Step 9 is to obtain your notary commission. So after you turn in your notary application from step 4, you should receive your notary commission shortly after in the mail. So your notary commission is basically the approval that you get in order to be a notary in your state. If you get to step 9 and you don't have your notary commission yet, you can go ahead and call your county clerk's office to see when you can expect it. There are some delays right now. I believe it took about a month for mine to come to me in the mail. But again, if you've got to step 9 and you don't have it, go ahead and give them a call and see when you can expect it. Okay, step 10 is to go ahead and purchase your notary seal, which is your notary stamp, and go ahead and purchase your E&O insurance. Make sure that you have read your state's laws before you purchase your notary stamp, because each state does have specific laws about what type of stamp you need. Errors and omissions insurance is a type of insurance that protects you as a signing agent. So if you make a mistake and someone decides to sue you for it, your errors and omissions policy will cover your legal fees. Again, I have a video about this if you are interested. I will link it up above. step 11 is to go ahead and purchase your supplies. So as a loan signing agent, you need a few supplies. There's tons of YouTube videos about the supplies you need. However, my biggest recommendation is go ahead, if you're watching this video, go ahead and put your name on a waiting list to get a dual tray laser printer. These are the ones that I would recommend, but they are out of stock everywhere right now. If you are just now getting started, if you go ahead and put your name on a waiting list, hopefully by the time that you get to step 11, you will have your printer. Finally, step 12 is to go ahead and sign up for as many signing services as you possibly can. If you Google notary, rotary, signing services, you will be able to find a huge list of signing services that you can sign up for. When you first become a loan signing agent, it is wise to start with signing services and get your mistakes out of the way. You will probably make a few mistakes when you first start, and you want to do that with signing services. So signing services will pay you pretty good money, but you can make even more money once you start going direct. So going direct means that you are cutting out the middleman, which is the signing services, and you are getting your business straight through title. So that means the middleman can't take their cut of your fee, and you will actually make more money that way. But again, sign up with signing services and get some experience, and then you can start going direct. So that's it. That's the 12 steps. It's not super complicated once you break it down into those very small little steps. I think anyone can do this. It's a great side hustle. It can even be a great full-time gig. Again, if you want the free PDF of the 12 steps that we just went through, that is linked down below for you guys. Now let's get on to the giveaway. As I mentioned, I have put together a PDF document of all the best free resources on the internet to teach yourself how to become a loan signing agent. I would like to give that away to one of you guys. If it meets your learning style, then I believe that it could save you tons of time and money. To enter the giveaway, all you need to do is like this video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and comment down below and tell me the top reason you are excited to become a loan signing agent. I will announce the winner down in the comments at 7 p.m. tomorrow night. If you're the winner, I will contact you via the comments and ask for your email address so I can send you the document. So I really hope these 12 steps helped you and helped you get on your way to becoming a loan signing agent. I really think it is a wonderful, easy way to make money. I think anyone can do it. I think that is all, guys, and I will see you guys soon. Bye, guys.